OpenSUSE versus Fedora. Which Linux is better for you in 2025? Hello everyone! Before we begin, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Linux comparisons and tech guides. Today we're comparing OpenSUSE and Fedora, two powerful Linux distributions, to help you decide which one is best for you in 2025. Let's break it down. 1. Philosophy and release model. OpenSUSE offers two main versions: Leap, stable, regular releases, and Tumbleweed, rolling releases with the latest updates. Fedora uses a fixed release cycle with cutting-edge software every few months. This gives you fresh tech but shorter support cycles. Winner: OpenSUSE for flexibility, Fedora for freshness. 2. Stability and reliability. OpenSUSE Leap is known for being very stable and reliable, ideal for both servers and workstations. Fedora is stable too, but its goal is to ship the latest software first, which can mean occasional rough edges. Winner: OpenSUSE Leap. 3. Cutting-edge features. Fedora leads here. Early adoption of new kernels, desktop environments, and system tools makes it ideal for developers and power users. OpenSUSE Tumbleweed also stays up to date, but Fedora's Standard Edition often sees features sooner. Winner: Fedora. 4. Package management. OpenSUSE uses Zypper, fast, powerful, and excellent for advanced users. Fedora uses DNF, a popular, reliable package manager also used in RHEL and CentOS Stream. Winner: both, depends on preference. 5. Desktop experience. OpenSUSE lets you choose from KDE, GNOME, XFCE, and more during installation. Fedora defaults to GNOME, but offers spins with KDE, XFCE, and other desktops. Both distros deliver polished, modern desktop environments. Winner: tie. 6. Community and support. OpenSUSE has a strong community with detailed documentation and forums. Fedora is backed by Red Hat, large community support, and a big ecosystem of tutorials. Winner: Fedora, slightly larger community. Pro tip: choose OpenSUSE Leap if you want a stable system with long-term reliability. Choose OpenSUSE Tumbleweed if you like rolling updates without reinstalling. Choose Fedora if you want bleeding-edge software and fast updates with strong Red Hat alignment. Final verdict: 2025. Go with OpenSUSE for stability, reliability, and flexible update models. Go with Fedora for the latest tech, developer focus, and a cutting-edge experience. That's it. Which one will you install? Comment OpenSUSE or Fedora below. If this helped, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Linux content. Rock it!